Hello, everyone. When we arrived in Paris, we were super hungry. So we decided to go to Châtelet-Léal to find a restaurant. It's easy, right? It's just one stop away from Paris Gare de Lyon. It shouldn't be a problem, but it was. Navigating through one of the biggest stations of Paris revealed itself to be a big and stressful hassle. But while we sometimes face some struggles, we usually are not really concerned about problems with public transportation and mobility. For some people, however, like people with cognitive impairment, each and single trip looks like the one we had on Friday. They feel disoriented, overwhelmed, and simply lost, to the point that some of them just don't leave their home anymore. For this project, we met one of these people. Let's call him Charlie. With his help and iterative feedback he gave us, we were able to develop Helpie, an Android app that helps him to travel independently.
So Charlie doesn't really use the current application in Switzerland because it's too complex for him. Navigating between stations, reaching stops is already a struggle and is super stressful. While we were developing the app, we focused on reducing the amount of stimuli and having a clear design to help him getting less stress and having a safe journey with as less information as possible. So Helpie has simple design, pre-registered journeys that can help him for regular transportations. We also have checkpoints that help him navigate through the whole journey, including walking steps, as well as information for each segment of the travel, going in the bus, out of the bus, how many times before the metro arrives at the station. And we have implemented a notification system that allows him to quit the app and still have a reminder of it and an easy access back on it. We also have pop-up notifications with reminders of every step of the journey. But what is the future of Helpie?
Currently in Switzerland, the SBB mobile app is used by more than 1 out of 3 Swiss inhabitants. But as Claire said, this app is too complex for Charlie. Another app, SBB Inclusive, aims to make travel simpler for people with visual, auditory, and motor impairment, but does not include people with neurodivergency. And that will be the job of Helpie. Until now, Helpie have been developed for and with Charlie, but in the future, other people could benefit from it. For example, people with other cognitive impairment, and elder people, or people with struggle with technology. We hope that Helpie will make traveling simpler for them, helping them to meet new people, new places, and new opportunity. Thanks.